Hi all, welcome back to channel. In this video, it ensures you to define the manufacturers and contracts in the Odoo 15 fleet module. The fleet dashboard consists of the fleet reporting and the configuration features, and all this help to develop the contract, manufacturers, odometers, vehicle models, services and the model categories. So let's look at how to add manufacturers and contracts in the Odoo 15 fleet. The products invented by a registered company or a particular person are the manufacturers, and all the commodities are made in a large amount for the consumers in this manufacturing industry. And the manufacturer in a firm observes the quality measures of a product. So, an effective manufacturing process is necessary to run the vehicle safely. The Odoo 15 fleet module assists the user to add the manufacturers for the vehicle model, so it can be chosen from this configuration tab. Here we can see the existing list of manufacturers, and here in this campaign view we can see the name, number of models and the image of a particular manufacturer. And the three dots button near the vehicle model directs you to know about the properties of a specific manufacturer. And here we can see the list of all the manufacturers in the list view. The create button in this manufacturers window assisting developing a new manufacturer for your vehicle model. Here we can enter the manufacturer's name and then we can add an image at the right end of the new manufacturer's window. Later we can press on the save icon and the created manufacturer is visible in this manufacturer's window. A record of contract is available in this contract system of companies for the fleet. So here we can select the contracts menu from this fleet tab and you can see the records of contracts in this list view. The information such as name, contract start date, expiration date, vehicle, vendor, driver, recurring cost frequency and the status can be seen here in this window. The campaign window displays the vehicle model, contract date, vendor and the status of a contract of a vehicle. Here in this graph you can see the date of the contract on the x-axis and the cost on this y-axis. The count of vehicles marked in various colors and chart are viewable in the bar chart, line chart and also in this pie chart. Moreover, the measure icon enables you to apply the recurring cost and the depreciated cost amount to the graph. And it is also possible to add the custom groups such as vehicle into the graph using this group by tab. And the user can also apply default and customizable filters option to the graph window. The pivot window shows a pivot table that contains the total count of contract for each vehicle model, and it enables the details like count, year, name and vehicle model. And we can add a spreadsheet to the pivot table using this insert in spreadsheet icon. And applying several measures into the pivot table using the measure button is also possible here. The user can schedule an activity regarding the contracts in Odoo 15 Fleet module. For that, we can click on the activity icon in this contract window. And then we can press the schedule activity button in the contract window and then we can choose the contract. After that, we can add the activity type as call, email, meeting, to do reminder, etc. Then we can select the due date, assigned person and write a summary for your activity, and then we can enter a note regarding the scheduled note activity in a box here and press the schedule icon. So the created activity is visible in this activity view of this contract window. Now let's check how to add a new contract for your vehicle. So a new page is visible to you after pressing the create icon, and here we can add the information related to the contract, vehicle, included services and the terms and conditions. So here we can add the name of the responsible person, vendor, reference, and the company. Then we can choose the type of contract as leasing, omnium, or repairing. And the activation cost paid only once at the time of contact information, and you can enter the amount of activation cost for the vehicle here. After that, we can enter the depreciation cost frequency for vehicle contract according to the daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly basis. And also we can enter the depreciation cost along with these details of this contract. Then we can add the vehicle's name, and after that the driver is automatically viewable inside this vehicle information. The cost executed date is considered as the invoice date, and you can choose a date from the calendar. And the contract coverage beginning date is the contract start date, and the expiry date is this contract expiration date. So most of the contracts are expired after 1 or 2 years. Here we can add these details inside the vehicle information section. And you can tag additional services given to the customers and existing ones below these included services. And all the relevant information related to the contract can be written inside the terms and conditions. Now press on the save icon after entering all your contract information. So the Odoo Fleet platform allows the user to manage the contracts under different stages, and it includes incoming, in progress, expired, and the closed. So you can stop the contract by clicking on this close contract icon in this contract window, and the created contract is viewable under the contracts window of the fleet dashboard. So the Odoo 15 fleet module ensures to add the manufacturers and contract for your fleet in this company, and the user can easily configure the manufacturer details using the configuration feature of the Odoo Fleet platform. So it is an easy solution to generate several contracts regarding the repairing and maintenance of your vehicle through the Odoo Fleet module. So that's all about the video. Thank you for watching.